Well, good morning, everybody. Matt and Roy here again today, and it's finally here. I took a trip to Best Buy today, and I picked up this 8 gigabytes of Corsair Value Select memory, and we are going to stick this in my laptop. Now, first thing, we got to cut her out of there. And there you go. Remember never to touch the little pins at the bottom because you can do damage to the memory. Alright. Next thing we're going to need is a screwdriver. And we're going to take these 2 screws out. One. Get a little smaller screwdriver here. Hope you guys are seeing this. I decided to take out my tripod today. It's 1 screw. And the second screw. Now this will just pry up like this. Just go real slow because there always could be a hidden screw in there. And that's it. And you can see there's just the one 4 gig stick of PC2 DDR3. Not sure what that was. I think it was just something loose rattling around in there. Okay, so we're going to do, got to do this on the ground. Going to remove the one stick just by pulling the 2 ends apart. And you can see it pops right out. And we take our 2 8 gig sticks, put it nicely in there, a little snug, and push down until you hear the click. Do the same with this one. And then until you hear the click. And put this cover back on. This is never easy, unfortunately. There we go. And then tighten these 2 screws. One. And 2, and then it's good just to make sure everything's in properly. Give a little push, not too hard. Alright. And now we're ready to try it. There we go. Sorry everybody, hope that's a little better. Plug everything back in. All right. And we'll push the escape key. Go ahead and let Windows boot here. And it will show up on my big display. And it's normal for it to boot a little slower when you put the new memory in, because Windows kind of has to relearn some things. Go ahead and click on computer. And there you go. You can see 8 gigabytes. And it's got 7.48 gigabytes usable. And that is it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and do a Windows experience check. Okay, RAM before was at 5.9. See that? 5.9. And we'll refresh it. And it should just rate the new memory, because that's the only thing we've changed in this system so far. Oh, wow, look at that. We went from 5.9 to 7.3. So that has been a significant jump in performance. And once I get everything squared away, I'll be definitely doing some more videos on this. I'm expecting to upgrade the hard drive from the 500 gigabytes to at least a 1 terabyte. But that's not probably going to be until after the holidays. So stay tuned, everybody.